Today I'm here to discuss my strategy, my resources, the book list that I followed, and also a little about my journey. So, strategy is divided into two parts, prelims and mains. First, let's tackle prelims. Prelims has two sections, GS1, GS and CSAT. GS, according to me, has about 8 subjects, 4 big subjects in the terms of the syllabus that needs to be covered, 4 smaller subjects because the amount of work that has to be done on them is not all that much, but the weightage for all of them is similar. So let's start with the 4 big ones, which are economics, polity, history and geography. Now these are bigger in terms of the syllabus that needs to be done, but you have to be thorough with them because they show up in a big way in your mains examination. I'll start with the sources now directly. For history, I did old NCERT for ancient, which is written by R.S. Sharma. For medieval, I did Satish Chandra. Both of these I did more than 5 times across throughout my preparation. I started preparing in by the end of 2020, 2021. And before each pre, I would definitely revise these for ancient and medieval. In addition to these, I would also do subject specific mocks. So if you have a question bank of 100, 200 questions for each ancient and medieval, and you've revised those questions at least 2 times, I think you are good to go, because if you try to go beyond this, it will be too heavy on your preparation. There's a big burden, and the uh, return that you get for this amount of effort is not sufficient. In addition to this, both ancient and medieval old NCRTs helped me solve GS1 ancient medieval part as well. Even though it is not part of the syllabus, the syllabus says art and culture, but questions are from ancient and medieval art and culture specific. So these two books help for that as well. Then for history, I did Spectrum by Mr. Ahir. I revised that also several times, and I would uh, the value add for modern would also be subject specific 2 to 3 mocks and revising those mocks for that year. So the good quality about doing many mocks which are that year specific is that uh, firstly the source for those mock questions should be good. Any good coaching institute, for example GS Core, that takes care of your current specific questions as well. For example, for subjects like history, it is very difficult to chart out what can be a current driven history question, so mock questions help you with that. Next, we come to geography. For geography, I did new NCRTs 11th, 12th. I also read through GC Leong, but I found that to be not as helpful. It can be done for certain climate and physical geography related topics, but it does not need to be done thoroughly. Old NCRTs, in addition to mapping with his world mapping, India mapping, there are classes for national park mapping, for rivers, so that sorts geography out. It also helps in mains, because mains also will have questions from directly from physical geography, which will tackle your basics. Next, we move to polity. For polity, I did Lakshmikant once when I started out preparing. I revised it a few times, but there is a limit to what Lakshmikant can do. So prelims each year, polity is the easiest part of pre, as from what I have noticed by analyzing PYQs, polity will be the easiest part of the question paper, and prelims Lakshmikant is helpful, but for mains polity, Lakshmikant is not all that helpful, I found. Then let's also, for each subject I have done subject specific mocks. So every sub subject that you pick up, ancient, medieval, geography, polity, do at least 2 or 3 subject specific mocks, so you have a question bank of about 200, 300 questions. That in itself will help you revise the syllabus I found that by the third pre, I did not even need to revise the whole syllabus. I would do first these mocks, get an idea of where I stand right now, and then plan my revision accordingly. So I have relied heavily on mocks and also on past year question papers. I've done them many times. I've made question banks on my own. I have also tried to chart out sources from where I think this question has come. uh, 4 big have been tackled.